Namaste everyone. Welcome to yet another edition of the Hall of Healers interview. And today I have with me Mr. Hari Prasad, a sales director. So today let's dive deep into the beautiful, powerful health transformation of what Hari Prasad has had after completing and going through our self-healing system, the Lifetime Access Coaching Program, which we do. So let's go ahead and have a peek into the health transformation of Hari Prasad. Welcome, Hari, to this Hall of Healers interview.
Thank you, Sachin. Thanks a lot for having this interview, and I thank you for introducing me to the self-healing process. That's something which we started, I think, a year back.
Yes.
That's
so let's go in deep into your journey, Hari, and let's understand. So, Hari, what do you do? Basically, what is your profession and what do you do?
Okay, I am associate vice president sales for a mattress brand called Magniflex.
Okay.
We are an Italian brand, and I handle sales for the entire Indian country.
Awesome.
Country of India. So
that's a hectic job, right, Hari?
Yes, it is a hectic job. Involves a lot of traveling.
Okay,
so typically pre-COVID days would be 15 days at least a month out of town. So all major cities from Delhi, Bombay, Hyderabad, Chennai. So a lot of travel, a lot of hotel stays.
So, those are all more and more excuses to not be healthy. So let's understand, Hari, what are the major health challenges you were facing before you came into this coaching of the self-healing system? What were you facing in your life?
See, basically, everybody loves calling themselves a foodie.
Okay.
That is something as a fad. It has become saying that you eat, you go, you put up on Instagram food. So while travel, this was a major problem. And for me, the problem was I would get a good breakfast in most of the hotels that I stayed by default. So breakfast becomes something. And lunch would be something that we hardly would get. In the sense, we couldn't have proper lunch, sit down and eat lunch. So this long gap between breakfast and lunch or dinner would end up in having a sumptuous dinner, very heavy dinner, and indulgent dinner, could say that.
Got that.
And then you eat dinner and straight away hit the bed.
Got that.
Because next day you had to again go back and travel. So this was a journey that accumulated over past 18-20 years. It's been going on, and that really did affect my health. So my parameters were all wrong. My sugar levels were high, my BP was high, my cholesterols were high. So anything and everything that could go wrong, where I was obese, I was weighing around 98 kilograms. Probably I would have crossed 100 also some days. When I didn't check, I was afraid to weigh myself.
Got that. Oh my God. Yeah. So that's scary,
something,
right?
That's scary. And my pant sizes would change every year or every year and a half. Shirts were so you had all that, and yet we called ourselves foodies, and social media was gaga about it, that you can eat here, you can eat there. You had parathas, you had biryanis and all that stuff.
Got you.
That was something that was my lifestyle, which pushed me into this kind of I don't know, I would call it hell health.
Okay. So let's understand. Okay, so let's recap here a little bit. And so what Hari was going through is his sugar levels are high, having diabetes, cholesterol, BP, due to his lifestyle of a sales associate vice president of sales, and traveling constantly, staying in hotels. So this was what you were facing, Hari. So let me understand, what were the 3 top changes for you that happened when you came into the coaching program? So when you started implementing them, or implementing the considerations we tell you to do, what are the 3 top changes in your health that has happened?
See, the first thing would be that we need to apply ourselves, excuses. The first thing you told us also was that stop giving excuses for your own. There's no excuse that you can't get up early, you can't do a slight a physical activity. Control your food. Like you used to always say that eat 75% of what you can eat. And if you had a heavy lunch, skip a dinner, have some fruits or, have. And then identify the body types, Vata, Pitta, Kapha kind of thing. So I was Pitta according to your this one, and that something which I identified. So I needed to have foods that would go along with it.
Mm.
And thirdly, medicines are not a cure. They just prolong the issues. That
Mm.
is something that I learned. So nature is something that can heal, and our body has the capacity to heal itself. Self-healing is what we always spoke about. And so I started this journey, after a lot of considerations, saw a few examples of my own friends, and that helped, encourage. And 17 December 2020, I entered this journey full time. I was doing yoga. So from 98, I came down to 92. I was around in December. So that's how I started this journey of, having, doing intermittent fasting and choosing what I eat. And a physical activity was a must. It became
Correct.
kind of a habit later. So this
Yeah.
is two changes that I got, and the result speaks for itself. My sugar levels are normal. I'm off medicines. My cholesterols are normal. They are
Wow.
below normal. My kidney function is good. All parameters are excellent, and so that's something which has affected a lot. And now I feel much more energetic, much more younger. Uh, and as I said, stop giving excuses. And I have done a lot of traveling after I did this, and I've been able to stick to my diet plan and to my this one journey plans, irrespective of what it was. So
You
it is
gave,
all in the mind.
yes, you gave your health the priority because you
Absolutely,
prioritized health because no one else will
exactly.
do it for you. You did it. And Hari, how does it feel to, actually get out of those medicines on recommendation of a doctor? I understand maybe a doctor would have told you to stop the medicines after he saw everything is normal. So how did that
Yes.
feel? And how much
No.
were you investing on those medicines? And how, now where are you investing that?
Okay. I put it this way.
Mm.
Probably the diet plan and the fasting and the things and the working out is
Yes.
probably the cheapest and the laziest way to get healthy.
That's beautifully put. Yes.
The reason is tablets cost money,
Yes, of course.
okay, and expensive foods cost money, indulgent food costs money, whatever, whoever paying for it,
Mm.
expensive indulgent food costs money. So here I'm eating less, I'm eating whole foods.
Mm.
I've, kind of given up on processed foods.
Wow.
No Maggies, no pastas, kind of thing. Yeah,
Nice.
some days you need to indulge, so that indulgence happens, but it's a far and few in between.
That's like a 90-10 rule. That's okay.
Yeah, yeah.
90 times your
So
whole, 10
so I
times.
do that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this was easy. Going for a walk daily is the easiest thing. One, all I had to do was buy a sneakers. It cost me around $2,000. That's about it, and I hope it'll last for a year at least. So that's the investment you do, but it's on your health.
Exactly. Exactly. You
So
see, you're
now,
saving so
as
much.
you said, when I stopped my medicines, it felt, when I told my family this, my wife was really, and initially they were all skeptical about this,
Of course.
because your greatest obstacle in the family are your mother and your wife,
Exactly.
because they feel that if you're not eating is an, kind of a blame on themselves.
Got you.
They're not feeding you. So,
Got you.
Indian mothers and wives would love to feed their family.
Got
That's
you.
something they find it as priority number one.
Got you.
So that's something. So they were objecting. Now they support me, and they actually recommend this lifestyle to many people.
This was the lifestyle of our ancestors where they used to go
Exactly.
before our sunset and eat whole foods. And these are not expensive changes. These are something which
It's the
already everyone
cheapest.
knows. And I want to ask you one question, Hari. What really motivated you to start this? What was that, tipping point for you? What was it for you? That tipping point
See,
where you're
it
like,
is.
enough. You're like, enough. I'm going to reverse what I have right now and really become healthy, happy, energetic. What was that tipping point for you?
Exactly. See, the point that I always felt was, we always give excuses.
Mm.
अरे कुछ नहीं होगा, कुछ नहीं होगा. And then when we had it, when the doctor said nothing, you need to pop tablets all your life. That's something a doctor tells, because these are conditions which are lifelong, metabolic issues and all, stuff like that.
Correct.
And then when you see, I saw a couple of friends who did it, and then we spoke and we had a session. So I don't know whether you call it luck or anything. Things started to coincide in
Oh,
time, and
really?
then when you make a decision, as they say, I don't know the famous Shah Rukh Khan dialogue, all
Exactly.
that Kayanath and stuff like that.
Yeah,
So things start falling in place when you decide to do it.
exactly. It's just one
And
thing.
yeah, it is something that started. So I still remember that date, December 17, 2020 is the date I started. And till now, it's almost 7 months now. I have not stopped.
Wow. So you are like, able to get out of this diabetes, and I think you can have had it for 2, 3 years, in just 3 months of quick
Yes,
actions, imperfect
yes,
actions, you're able to really reverse that. That's amazing. And it's what you said is beautiful. If you take one step, universe takes 10 steps with you. That's what you did. And I also remember you messaging and telling me about that story of you trying to order outside food, and it is not allowing that, right? And
so
so amazing when the universe is making you, and now you see the healthy, happy, and energetic, and feel your family is feeling like $1 million right now,
exactly.
right? And I
So
want to,
yeah.
yeah, sure, sure.
No, basically, see, as I told, it's you have to decide for yourself. Otherwise, nobody is going to do it for you, or otherwise, a doctor is going to write a prescription, and you need to carry that
Yeah,
around.
of course. It's as simple as that. And
Yes.
I'll ask you one thing, Hari. There are many people who give a lot of excuses, and saying, I don't have time, I don't have money to invest on health, I don't have the energy, too busy, I am too busy, this, that, all kind of excuses. And I truly believe that where we are in health and where we want to be in health, the gap is nothing but the excuses. What is that one golden nugget you would like to give to all those people who shy away from investing money, time, and energy in their health? What is that one nugget which you want to give?
See, one thing in my profession also, I keep telling people, I sell mattresses, so I keep telling them about importance of a good mattress can help you, get rid of a lot of spinal issues or things like that.
Correct.
So what you skip investing now, you might have to invest on your health later on in getting hospitalized or spending on doctors and stuff like that.
Hmm.
Whereas you look at it yourself that age, you are not growing younger. You're going to grow older. The older you get, these problems are going to multiply. So unless you think about it, you decide for yourself. Nobody else can do it for you. Not even your wife, not even children, not even parents. You have to decide for yourself. Secondly, stop giving excuses. I'll just give you an example. I have traveled in this during my fasting. I would have traveled close to 9,000 to 10,000 kilometers across breadth of West and South India.
Wow.
Solo driving most of the time because I avoided public transport during COVID
Got.
periods.
Yeah,
So
that's.
I drove solo most of the times. And during these drives, I used to maintain my intermittent fasting.
Yeah. No, it's.
So choose your time. See, there is no hard and fast rule in health. You choose your timing, you choose your way, you choose. And what? Why do you have to invest anything? You have to only invest your time and mind, nothing else.
Of course.
Money is actually you're gaining from money. You're saving money
Exactly. Exactly.
on
I think.
medicines, doctor prescriptions, on expensive food,
Exactly.
indulging food.
You are saving, right? And I think you would have invested around a little bit into this coaching, and you reaped out at least 10x, I would say.
Then easily,
Yeah,
more than that.
you reaped out 10x out of it. Amazing. And really, people who
Yes.
are watching, Hari Prasad has really transformed his health, his diabetes, his
Oh yeah.
BP, his cholesterol. And it's a journey which he took. It's a journey and a decision he made, that you can be healthy, and he really believed in it. And if you're someone who want to start your health journey with us, there is a link in the description of this video. Okay, so
Exactly.
go to the link, check out all the coaching what is there we are offering to you, and make that decision to move forward with us. And I really thank you, Hari, for
Thanks, Sachin.
really taking care of your health, and really taking those imperfect actions and having the guts to do. And you're really showing that
No,
you had
it's,
the guts to
I
do
would
it.
add one more thing. Yeah, I would put in one more thing. It
Sure.
is a tough journey, but it is the first few days,
That's
the tough part of it. That's about it. And once you enjoy it, you don't know the feeling of losing weight. The one expensive thing that has happened after losing weight, I changed my wardrobe.
So yeah, of course, you need to get new clothes.
New clothes.
Yes, you need to get new
That's
clothes.
the only expensive thing that
Of
happened.
course, that's a good one, no, for you. Yeah, so that's the case. So guys, get inspired by this amazing transformation and take your health journey. See, if you can do the actions, do it yourself. If you cannot, get a coach, get a mentor, either me or someone else. If you are choosing me,
Exactly.
there's a link in the description. If someone else, get that help, really transform your health and make those commitments which you make to yourself stick. And thank you, Hari, for being that amazing light in your life. And I know by seeing you, at least so many people will get transformed and
Oh,
inspired
thank
that,
you.
wow, this person has reverse diabetes and I can also do it. Right? It's like that Roger Bannister 4 mile. Everyone saw
Yes.
that he can run 4 mile and then 100 people did it. So from your story, so many people are going to make sure that you're able to reverse diabetes and BP. And that's possible when you invest in yourself with money, time,
Exactly.
energy, and you're really doing that. Thank you, Hari. Thank you for
Thanks, Sachin.
giving
Thanks a lot.
this time for this interview. And everyone, be healthy, be happy, and be unique. Until next time.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much.